Hey, Amy from blossominglife.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute wall decor. So I got this off Craigslist. I cut off the legs, sanded it down, gave it a coat of paint, and then hung it using picture wire. And it has turned into this really cute wall decor, and it's really simple to make. All right, so far what I've done to make this really cute headboard decor was I cut the legs off the bottom here on each side, or I should say my husband did. He cut the legs off on both sides, and then I gave it a good sand and then painted it with a flat interior paint. I did this to give it the chalk paint look without spending the chalk paint price, because chalk paint tends to be a little pricier. So I just got flat paint and it looks basically the same. But I did it in the soft green color. I will put the color name in the description below. But yeah, so that's all I've done so far. I sanded it, painted it with 2 coats of paint, and now it's ready to hang. This headboard is a twin headboard and it's not very heavy. And so even though it is real wood, it's just not that heavy. So I got this picture hanging kit that holds 50 pounds. And so I'm going to use that. I'm actually going to use, there's a different variety of things that you could use. I'm actually going to use these ones to hang it, and then put the string or wire, not string, I'm gonna put the wire between the 2 hooks and then hang it like a picture. So pretty easy. This project only costs about $20. The paint can was about $13 and I barely used any of it. I thought I was just gonna need more, but I barely used any of the little container. So $13 for that, and then I think this picture hanging kit was like $5. So we are getting really close to about $20, but really it's probably gonna be about, I don't know, less than 10 for this. So originally I bought the headboard in a set that came with the dresser, a nightstand, a mirror, and the headboard off Craigslist, and I got it for like $400 for all of those, which I thought was a pretty good deal. The woman had painted it herself. It looked really nice. I have so far separated pretty much all of the different pieces and put them in different places. So the mirror is in our entryway. You can actually find the entryway refresh on my YouTube channel. And then the nightstand went to my 3-year-old's room when I redid her room, and the dresser is currently in our living room. Now, and that might change. I might move that piece. I'm not really sure what I want to do with it yet. But I knew with the headboard that I wanted to make it a home decor piece rather than a headboard, because I knew I wasn't going to need a twin headboard. All right, so let's get to hanging. This is gonna be part of our dining room makeover. You'll notice in the videos that I even have like different stuff here. I'm constantly moving it around, constantly deciding what I like and what I don't like. And so this will probably change. It'll probably change because I'm always moving stuff around. And I don't know why I talk so much with my hands. But I'm always moving stuff around and redecorating. So I only have a couple more things. I'm trying to find a new piece for this. This piece we've had for probably about 4 years now, 4 or 5 years. And I had purchased it when we bought our old house. The people that we bought our house from actually were moving to like Switzerland. And so they were selling a lot of their furniture. And I love this piece, it was really cute. The only problem now is that it's very broken. It was slightly broken then, and I got it for a really good price, but it's like really broken now. So I'm trying to find a piece to replace this. And then we need to hang some curtains in here, hang up a couple more things on the walls, and then we will be all done. So it'll be exciting when we get another thing done. I'm trying to decide if I want to move an antique dresser over and paint it, because the color wouldn't work well in this room. And so I might paint that and put it in here, or I may get a whole new piece. So let me know what you think below, if I should repaint a dresser and show you how to do that, or just get a new piece. Also for this wall decor, I made this cute little wreath up here, and I will show you in another video how to make this. It took me like 5 minutes, super simple, and it cost me nothing, because that's how I like to roll. Thanks so much for coming by the Blossoming Life YouTube channel. We share recipes, DIY projects, and natural products. I like to make things that are really inexpensive or basically free and share them with you, so that way you can decorate and have a lovely home for not a lot of money. Thanks so much. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.